We look for moments that light up our lives. Sunrise and sunsets. A moonlit night sky. Sleeping under the stars. Philips Hue created some precious moments that you can carry back with you. Experience Moments of Hue, innovation inspired by Philips technology.
Moments of Hue, now for you.
For a moment, I actually thought that I was looking at a sunset, the backwaters which Kerala offers, right? And honestly, what I've experienced here by Philips Hue, if I wouldn't have seen it by myself, I wouldn't have believed that this kind of an experience I can, enjoy.
I think it's a must experience for everyone to go through this, because this is the new life changer with the stress level that everyone is running out, and they have a simple home which is there, and really enhance a home. Lighting is the most essential part of it.
Hammocks, beaches, peace, I can experience everything at one place. So earlier I used to buy tickets for it, but now I can experience everything with the help of Philips Hue. So I'm definitely going for it.
Live the Philips Hue life and let the simple pleasures of life follow you home.